The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs on Monday approved two hydropower projects entailing an investment of Rs. 3,689 crore in Arunachal Pradesh. After the Cabinet meeting, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw told reporters that the CCEA approved an investment of Rs. 1,750 crore for the construction of 186 MW Tato 1 hydroelectric project and Rs. 1,939 crore for 240 megawatt hydroelectric project in Shiyomit district of Arunachal Pradesh. Power generated from the two projects will help improve the power supply position in Arunachal Pradesh and will also help in balancing the national grid, the minister said. The projects will be implemented through joint venture companies between Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited and the government of Arunachal Pradesh. For the Tato 1 project, the central government will extend Rs. 77.37 crore as a budgetary support for the construction of roads, bridges and associated transmission lines on the enabling infrastructure besides central financial assistance of Rs. 120.43 crore towards an equity share of the state, the minister added. For HEO project, the Government of India shall extend Rs. 127.28 crore as a budgetary support for the construction of roads, bridges and associated transmission lines under enabling infrastructure besides central financial assistance of Rs. 130.43 crore towards equity share of the state, he added.